Hey guys, are you wanting to buy best flapper replacements for running toilets? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best flapper replacements for running toilets that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at number 1, Fluidmaster 500 2P21 2-inch Perfor MAX toilet flappers live a pretty harsh life. They spend most of their time submerged underwater, exposed to bacteria. This is what makes Fluidmaster's flapper such a great product. This flapper uses microben, which resist the growth of bacteria, mold, and mildew, giving it a longer life than other flappers. It features a rigid plastic frame, which prevents the flapper from losing its shape, allowing it to maintain a tight seal over the flush valve. The Fluidmaster flapper also allows you to save water thanks to an adjustable dial that lets you set how much water is released from the tank with each flush. This flapper works with 2-inch valves on toilets ranging from 1.28 to 3.5 gallons per flush. At number 2, Fluidmaster 5403 3-inch toilet flapper. Most flappers succumb to water damage in about 3 to 5 years. Through regular use, the seal slowly degrades and fails, eventually causing the flapper to leak. Fluidmaster's flapper will last up to 10 years thanks to a corrosion-resistant silicone seal that outlasts standard rubber flappers. It's also well constructed. A molded rigid plastic frame prevents the flapper from bending or twisting, and a kink-free chain prevents the flapper from getting stuck in the open position. An adjustment dial allows you to control the flush volume, making this flapper efficient and enabling you to optimize it for water savings. This 3-inch flapper works with most high efficiency and 1.6 gallons per flush toilets. Now number 3. Corky 100 BP Ultra High Performance. This flapper from Corky features an easy-to-use dial with multiple flow settings, allowing you to optimize each flush and save money on your water bill. With its Corky red rubber, this flapper is one of the more durable flappers you can buy. The special blend of rubber uses chlorazone, which staves off bacteria while resisting damage from chlorine, hard water, and well water. The flapper uses a universal fit design, making it compatible with most toilets with 2-inch flush valves. A clamp-style clip prevents the chain from accidentally dislodging from the toilet handle. At number 4, Lavel Inc. Toilet Flapper 2004 BP. Lavel's adjustable float on this flapper under its Corky brand makes adjusting flush volume easy. Simply move the float up the chain to save water, or down the chain to improve flushing power. Like all of Corky's flapper products, this model extends the life of the flapper with its special red rubber material that resists bacteria, chlorine, and hard water. With its universal fit design, this flapper will fit most toilets, including American Standard, Kohler, and Glacier Bay. A stainless steel chain won't rust, and is kink-resistant to prevent accidental leaks. A hook clamp keeps the chain securely attached to the toilet's lever. And our last product is Fluidmaster 400 AKR All-in-One Toilet Tank Repair Kit. If you're looking to replace all the components in your toilet, or you're setting up a new toilet, this kit from Fluidmaster has you covered. It includes a flush valve, flapper, fill valve, and a chrome tank lever. It also comes with the bolts and gasket required to connect the tank to the toilet. With its universal design, this set fits most toilets with a fill valve that adjusts from 9 to 14 inches. A Perfor MAX 2-inch flapper allows you to adjust the flush volume. It will fit both 2-bolt and 3-bolt connections and works best with 1.6 and 3.5 gallons per flush toilets. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.